Yeah, hi everyone. This is Neelakantam, drawing master. Welcome to drawing class. Children, today let us learn one beautiful bird, that is toucan bird, colorful with the help of shapes. With the help of shapes, let us draw in easy way. In easy way. Okay. Now I am going to take help of shape oval. Shape oval. I am going to take now here. See, look at this. This is the an oval. What shape it is? It is an oval. It is an oval. Okay. It is an oval shape I have taken here. Okay. Again, I am going to take an oval shape here. This is the standing oval. What shape it is? It is an oval, standing oval. It is an oval, standing oval, and I am going to join and circle to this oval. What shape it is? It is a circle. An oval and circle. An oval and circle I have taken here, right? An oval and circle. See, now next I am going to join this oval and circle. An oval and circle I am going to join, right? Here next I am going to erase this inside lines. Okay. Next here, this is the beak of bird. Beak. Okay. In easy way we can draw this. See, once again I am showing here. This is the beak. I have taken. Okay. Now next here one circle, small circle I have taken, and one more circle inside like eyeball. Okay. This is the bird eyes. Okay. Next here this is the, it is sitting on one branch, tree branch. It is sitting on one branch. Okay. Next I am going to erase this part. Now next here I am going to keep one tail of the bird. Okay. It is very easy to draw. It is very easy to draw with the help of shapes. And here this bird legs, claw. See, this is the semicircle shape. I have taken help of semicircle. See, these are the two claws, and here I am going to draw leaves. These are the leaves with the help of shape oval. See, this is oval, shape of oval, and here even I am going to take okay, and even here also I am going to take shape of oval. And first what I did here, I have taken an oval shape, standing oval. Okay. Next I added one circle to this oval, right? Next I joined together these two. Okay. Next I added, this is the beak, and here is the branch. Okay. With the help of ovals and circles, I have have drawn this picture. Okay. Now you can take one black sketch pen or marker and try to give picture outline. Picture outline. Okay, children. Okay, children. Now you can take picture outline with one black sketch pen or black marker. Okay, black sketch pen or black marker and give picture outline neatly. Later you can erase the pencil lines. Pencil lines. Okay. Now I am going to take yellow color here. In this I am filling yellow here. This is the beak. I made this like parts, small parts, okay? And here, even here also I am filling yellow, okay? Now, violet, and I am filling here orange color, orange, okay? So, this is the way I filled with different colors. Now, I am going to take black and I am filling here inside the body neatly without any white patches. Slowly I am filling here. See, we can fill black inside the bird and tail also. Even I am filling here black. See, okay, and this class also I am filling with violet legs. Okay, now next I am going to take light green for leaves and brown for this stem branch here. See, brown color. You try to fill very neat without any white patches. Okay, now I am filling green in the leaves. Green, without any white patches, and should not cross the picture outline, should not exceed. So this is the way, green color for the leaves, and this is the branch with brown. Okay, now we can apply background color light blue. Already you know all well. As background I am filling light blue color for background. Okay, here as background I am filling light blue color, light blue. Slowly you can try to learn color without any white patches or dark patches around the picture. You can color. As background I am using light blue color and filling. I have chosen light blue color. Okay, so this is the way with the help of shapes. First I have taken help of shape oval and I added one circle to the oval. Later a beak Okay, next down tail and as well as one branch and leaves. Okay, after that you can take picture outline. Okay, picture outline and color the picture with the following colors. Okay children, thank you.